Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. This video is a little bit more special because we're celebrating our first year anniversary. So to celebrate, we made our sparkling raspberry pear mojito. And make sure you stick around till the end for some bloopers. You will be needing 10 to 15 fresh raspberries, half a pear, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and sparkling pear juice as needed according to your glass size. Let's begin! In a bowl, add your ripened pear that is roughly chopped. Then add your fresh raspberries. You can leave a few out for garnishing purposes. Then add the sugar. Mash these ingredients together with a fork. Once mixed, set aside to add to the bottom of the glass. So we thought we would do something fun to celebrate our 1 year. We were so excited, especially because of how far we've come. We started when the pandemic started, and you know, when everyone was baking at the time and random food channels emerged on YouTube and Instagram. Yes, we were one of them. We thought, why not share the recipes we make and share our style of doing things? Last but not least, we could not have made it this far without your support, so thank you so much for everything. Let's pop that bottle and celebrate! So it's been a long journey of ups and downs, but we've finally hit some important milestones that we wanted to share with you. So we actually hit our 100 views on our first day, and 5 days later we hit 100 subscribers. And then almost a year in, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So those were some of the important stats that we thought we would share, just because this would not have been possible without our supporters. We hope you'll keep providing us with feedback that will help us improve and follow along on our journey. We hope you'll also enjoy some of the bloopers. We wanted to add them in this time around to show you behind the scenes of Food and Spices. Cheers to 1 year and many more! We hope you enjoyed this video and all the videos we've posted this far. Thank you once again for all your support and feedback. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos.
Oh gosh, wait, let me try that again. It's too tight. I can't. This is too dangerous. Guys, yeah, I might not like it. No, I can't. It's too tight. I just want to do it professionally at the end. Oh!
Nothing happened. Koi baat nahi.
Did you get that sound?
Do it. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Why are you cheering?
I'm not a left person. Okay, wait.
1,
2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
1, 2, 3.
so many bloopers.
Oh no! Go again. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, fine. It should be
Does it look
fine.
funny?